Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can disable people from adding me on Snapchat groups. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply gonna go ahead, open up your Snapchat app, tap on your emoji icon or profile icon given on top left corner, tap on settings, and from over here simply scroll down and go to the section of privacy controls, right? And go to the section of contact me and make it to friends if it's friends and contacts. So the people there are friends and in contacts, they can simply add you. So make it to friends only, so only can friends have the access. That tap on this option of see me in quick add, simply turn it on. Then that if you have turned it on, then you will be shown in the quick add section. Make sure I've turned it off, so when they are adding people on the groups, you won't be shown as a recommendation. Then you're gonna go back and simply turn off this both of settings and change it, and then you're basically good to go. That only you can do it once they have added you in a group. You can simply leave the group as well if you have been added to on. Otherwise, turn the options on and choose the friends from the contact me, and you're basically done. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.